Sellers, we're in contract. Now we're in business, and this is exciting, but don't get too excited just yet because we still need to go through the contingency period. So what is contingency? A contingency in an offer means the buyer and the seller have an accepted agreement, but the final sale depends on the certain criteria being met. Contingencies usually fall under three main categories: inspections, appraisals, and loan approval. During the contingency period, the buyer has time to do their due diligence to fully understand the property. This typically includes a home inspection, pest inspection, roof inspection, and a pool inspection, if applicable. In the land involved, septic or well inspections may also take place. Another important contingency is the appraisal inspection, which is required for a full loan approval. The purchase contract outlines these contingencies and the timeframes in which they must be completed. Generally, contingency periods range between 7 and 17 days, depending on what's being negotiated between the buyer and the seller. Here's what you need to know. As a seller, during the contingency period, the buyer can back out if they're unhappy with what they discover on any of the reports, disclosures, or inspections. Buyers may also request repairs or ask for the credit in lieu of repairs. To avoid surprises, we always aim to negotiate terms that are fair and for both parties up front. Another crucial aspect is the loan approval. If for any reason the buyer doesn't fully qualify for their loan, they can back out of the contract. Similarly, if the home doesn't appraise for the contractual purchase price, the lender will only base on the appraised value. If this happens, the buyer must either cover the difference or will need to negotiate a new price that works for both sides. This is why I always advise my clients, don't start packing your bags until all the contingencies have been removed. Once contingencies are removed, we'll have more relief and assurance that the deal is solid and your home is going to close. At that point, you can get started and excited because your move is just around the corner. I'm Daniel Stewart with Red Rock Real Estate in the St. George area, and my goal is to guide you through every step of the process for a smooth and stress-free transaction. If you have any questions, give me and my team a call. I am here to do the heavy lifting so you can maximize your home value.